The collaboration began about 2 years ago. I got an email from the head of the company, David King, who's asking whether I might be interested in designing for them. I was taken by surprise because I hadn't been aware that they had worked with any independent designers before. And that in fact is the case, that this is actually the first outside collaboration between King and a designer. It was important for me to not do something that just slots perfectly into their range as is. In other words, I need to design something that raises the bar somewhat. But on the other hand, it's also important to draw upon the strengths of where they are already. I really like designing mechanical things, simple mechanics, things that change, that pivot, that slot together, that morph into something else. The design that I've come up with, we have encountered the different ways it can be configured, but it'd go to several dozen. The important aspect of the manufacturing of this furniture is the steel frame. All of King Furniture has steel frames and has done, I think, since the early 90s. David showed me recently one of their first sofas, which is still completely holding together, absolutely immaculate on the inside. And that's a really important aspect of how things are made around here. The name Andrea comes from a friend of mine. It seemed like a good name. We ran it by the sales team and they all liked it.